The half-life of a radioisotope is the length of time it takes for its radioactivity to fall to half of its original value. So for example, if you had to give up half of a treasure that you had every 2 days until you had just one coin left. So how quickly do radioactive isotopes decay? Well, it depends on the isotope. Some, such as uranium, take years and years and years to decay, and so that's why uranium is useful when we're dating geological formations. Others decay in thousands of years, some in days, and some in just minutes or seconds. The radioisotopes that decay in just minutes or seconds are frequently used in medicine. So how quickly does the radioactive isotope carbon-14 decay? Well, most carbon on Earth is stable carbon-12, but carbon-14 has a half-life of 5,700 years. And this means that if there are 100 carbon-14 atoms, 50 of them will be decayed after 5,700 years passes. Scientists can measure the amount of carbon-14 still left in buried remains of living things to figure out how old something is, and that's called radiocarbon dating. An unearthed woolly mammoth may be found to be 10,000 years old using carbon-14 dating. In Schoology, there is a TED Ed video that I would also like for you to watch along with this screencast. Please make sure to include the notes from that video in your notes with this.